obtain a Maclaurin's series for square root of 1 plus sine 2x, where up to term containing x power 4. So here x power 4 is there, we must differentiate this one for 4 times. So solution. So let us consider this as y equal to square root of 1 plus sine 2x. So instead of this one, differentiating directly, we do the small modification so that we can write it easily. So here one we can write it as sine square x plus cos square x, and sine 2x we can write it as 2 times sine x into cos x. So here this one is nothing but form of a square plus b square plus 2ab is nothing but sine x plus cos x whole square root. So here square root and the square get cancelled. We can write it as sin x plus cos x, y equal to sin x plus cos x. Now we differentiate this one 4 times. So here x we must substitute 0. Maclaurin series x is 0. So here if we substitute 0, we get y of 0 equal to sin 0 plus cos 0. So sin 0 is 0 plus cos 0 is 1. We get 1. Now we differentiate this y. Y is y dash equal to sin x is cos x plus cos x we can read it as minus sin x. Now we substitute 0 here. So y dash of 0 equal to, I'm substituting 0, cos 0, we know the value of cos 0, cos 0 is 1, sin 0 is 0. Now once again we differentiate this one, cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x is cos x. So y double dash of, we are substituting 0 here. So minus sin 0 is 0, minus cos 0 is 1. So we get minus 1. Y triple dash is nothing but differentiation of this one. Minus sin x is cos x, and here minus into minus plus sin x. So here if we substitute the value 0, cos x is 0, cos 0 is minus 1 here, and sin 0 is 0. So we differentiate once again, minus cos x. So cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus in, plus sin x, plus sin x is cos x. So we substitute the initial value, sin 0 is 0, plus cos 0 is 1. So we get 1 here. Now we substitute all these value here. So Maclaurin series is y equal to y of 0 plus x into y dash of 0 plus x square by 2 factorial into y double dash of 0 plus x power 3 by 3 factorial into y triple dash of 0 plus so on. So here y of 0 is there 1, we substitute here 1 plus x into y dash of 0 is 1, so we can leave it as it is, plus x square by 2 factorial is nothing but 2, and y double dash of 0 is minus 1, plus x power 3 by 3 factorial is nothing but 6, into y triple dash is nothing but minus 1 here, plus x power 4 by 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 24, and y4 of 0 is 1. So plus so on. So here we can write y equal to 1 plus x minus x square by 2. Here we can write it as minus x power 3 by 6 plus x power 4 by 24 plus so on. This is the Maclaurin series for square root of 1 plus sine 2x square root. So obtain Maclaurin series for log of 1 plus cos x up to x power 4, the term containing x power 4. So solution. So we consider y equal to log of 1 plus cos x. So here we substitute the initial value y of 0 equal to log of 1 plus cos 0 is 1, we get log 2. So here if we differentiate this one, y1 equal to log differentiation is 1 by 1 plus cos x, and the differentiation of cos x is minus sin x, minus sin x. So we substitute the value here, y dash of 0 or y1 of 0. So if we substitute 0 here, numerator sin 0 is 0, so we get the answer 0. Here, we instead of applying the quotient rule, we cross multiply this one, we apply the product rule. So it will be little bit easy. So 1 plus cos x into y1 minus sin x can be written as plus sin x equal to 0, or we can write it as it is minus sin x. So here differentiate this one. We apply the multiplication is there, so multiplication rule, 1 plus cos x into y1 is y2, here y1, 1 is 0, cos is minus sin x, equal to minus sin x is nothing but minus cos x. So here we substitute x equal to 0 here, 1 plus cos 0 of y2 minus y1, y1 is 0, so this term becomes 0, equal to minus cos 0, cos 0 is minus 1. So here we get 2 times y2 equal to minus 1, y2 equal to minus 1 dividing by 2. So here this is nothing but y double dash of 0 equal to minus 1 by 2. So here we have y of 0 is log 2 and y dash of 0 is 0, y double dash of 0 is minus 1 by 2. So here now we differentiate this one. So if we differentiate 3, differentiate equation 3, apply the product rule, 1 plus cos x into y2, y2 is nothing but y3, then 1 plus cos x, 1 is 0, cos x is minus sin x, then y2 is, write it as it is, then minus y1 into sin x is nothing but cos x, then minus y1 is y2 into sin x equal to, here minus cos x is minus sin x, minus into minus is plus sin x. So here if we substitute the values, so here y1 is 0, so this is 0, this one is 0, sin 0 is 0, so this also 0, this also 0, this also 0. So here y3 is nothing but 0. So here we have the values. Now differentiate this one, 1 plus cos x. So see, these terms are getting 0 by substituting x equal to 0. Here I am differentiating this one, 1 plus cos x into y4 minus cos is nothing but sin x into y3. Here we apply the product rule, minus sin x into y3 minus cos x into y2. Then here we apply the product rule, plus y1 into sin x, then minus y2 into cos x. Here last term, minus y2 into cos x minus y3 into sin x equal to, sin x is nothing but cos x. So here straight away we can substitute, instead of simplifying, we can do the simplification also. So here wherever sin x is there, we get 0. So this becomes 0, this becomes 0, and y, this sin 0 is 0, this one also 0. Now we substitute only for these values. 1 plus cos 0 is 1 into y4. Then we have this term, minus cos 0 is 1 into y2. Then minus y2. Here also minus y2 equal to cos 0 is 1. So here 2 times y4 equal to 1 plus, here 3 times y2. So here we must see y2 value. So here y2 is nothing but, what is y2? y2 of 0, y double dash of 0 is minus 1 by 2. So here 1 plus 3 times minus 1 by 2. We get 1 minus 3 by 2 is nothing but minus 1 by 2. So this is our answer. This is 2 times y2. y2 equal to minus 1 by 4. So here we have some values, y4, and here we have y3. We have y2, and we have y1. y1 is 0, y is log 2. So here we can see that y triple dash become 0. The remaining values we have log 2 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. Then we can write it as log 2. So y dash is 0 plus x square by 2 into y double dash is minus 1 by 2. Y triple dash is 0 plus x power 4 by 4 into minus 1 by 4 plus so on. So this is 4 factorial. So if we simplify this one, we can write it as log 2 minus x square by 4 minus x power 4 dividing by 4 factorial is 24 into 4 is 96 plus so on. This is nothing but y.